welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can turn off your professional account on Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, simply tap open your Instagram app. Once you open it, you need to now simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you need to simply tap on the hamburger like icon on the top right hand side. After doing this, simply scroll down below and go to Creator Tools and Controls. Simply scroll down below and you can find an option called Switch Account Type. Simply tap on it and now you can either switch it to business account or your personal account. So if you want to do this, your professional account will now be switched to business account or your personal account, which will allow you to turn it off on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.